Hello everyone, I hope so that you're all fine. Welcome to Picky Knowledge. So these are the pens and markers which I'm going to use in my video. At the top of the paper, I'm going to take start with subjective part. So now tip number 1 is don't forget to mention the question number in your paper. Tip number 2 is mentioning an exact part with question number is mandatory. As we all know that due to the shortage of time, we don't write question statement in exam. So we need to write subheadings. As grip is an essential part for writing, so I'm using gel pen for it. Examples are class point in exams. Do mention them. In order to differentiate the part 1 and part 2, I am going to draw a margin. As I have mentioned before that subheadings are important, so don't forget to write them. Here is the final look of my paper. You can see it. If you like my video, don't forget to share it with your friends and do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching it. Allah Hafiz.